Yes, this is 2008 Holden Commodore VE Series 1 SS model, V8 6-liter engine. So we're going to do today the transmission service. You can see the transmission fan, all the 10mm bolts. We have to off this pan first, off the 10mm bolts. Again sideway. Here the transmission filter, you can see the can wiggle it. Okay, you can see the transmission inside. So I cleaned all the edge surface. Here's a part of the filter. This is the filter, the gasket. There's a number on it in the fasten, and we got the transmission fluid. So we need the 2 cans. Okay, here's the filter. We put some grease on it in here. Okay. So you can see the gap. Here's the oil pan gasket. You have to remove this. And we can clean it. One magnet on here in the middle. I have to clean this edge. Side. Okay, we clean the pan. We're going to install the gasket. Coming one magnet. Put in here. Okay. Yes, he tied all the bolts underneath. This is a 14 mil drain nut. So tight. So we're going to fill the oil for the transmission. Then we have the transmission plug on there. You can see in here. There's a little plug. We have to off this one. Okay, this one popped up. And take it out. Alright, this is a rubber, the filling plug. Okay, now after that we put in the 6 liter on the transmission. Okay, we're going to put the transmission fluid. It's a Dextron 6. So I put my the pump gauge into the line, to the battery, and going to the system is plugged there. Okay, going to switch on. So we put the 6 liter for them. Okay, one can is finished. Okay, another 2 liter. Okay, we put the 6 liter, this one 5, so this one 4, and this one 2 liter. So all 6 liters we put it in the transmission. So now after that you take it out, this pipe. Okay. We're going to start the car and change the gears. So wheels turning. Okay, car is running, engine is getting a hot transmission like a 45 degrees. So then after you have to off the level, we have to check the level nut. This dripping oil is okay, level is complete. Yeah, it's all good. The 14 wheels drain plug, all good. Okay guys, finally we did the transmission service, so everything is okay. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.